Hey, welcome back to the Sawmill, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. You found my channel. We're out here at the OS-27 today, the Frankenstein OS-27, heavily modified. Very nice homeowner's mill. I'm very happy with this mill. But we've been working on a project, or I've been contemplating a project for a while, and I've talked to you guys about it. I'm going to reskin my deck, and I need about 1,000 board feet of lumber for my deck. So we got 5 logs on this today, and I'm going to try to knock these out here soon. So let me show you what we've got. I've got these white oaks right behind me here. I've got 5 of them. What the heck? What the heck? Guys, look who's in the wood yard.
Look who's here. Look where I've just literally come for a chill out and I'm here.
Nick from Every Day With Me. Nick, brother. How you been, man?
Amazing. I've literally just took a break up the HC38 and...
Guys, this is crazy. He just wandered in as we're out here at the Sawmill.
I've just said the HC38 is kicking my butt, taking a break, and then bam!
He's here. So I got a swamper. You're not going to see my wife in her outfit today. We're going to look at him in his outfit today. We'll see if we can keep his shirt on too for a while.
I was like literally just watching your video this morning as well, and now bam, poof. I'm here. What is going on?
Oh, we're going to have some fun, guys. So, hey, we're going to get some logs loaded up. Maybe, it looks like we're making content.
Let's definitely get something set up, guys. No, honestly, can't wait. Let's have this. We've got here with your iconic Frontier OS-27. Let's go.
Let's do it. We don't even know what the hell we're doing.
We're just so shocked.
Boom.
Let's go, man.
All right.
All right, let's go. Ah, look at that. You need 2 people on the mill.
Just like downtown.
Expensive blades.
Let's show you guys what happened. Yeah, you'll have that. You know, in the grand scheme of things, I'm not too worried about it due to the fact that 1,000 board feet of oak lumber would cost you several $1,000s. I'm going to have a couple $100 in blades maybe. Is there? And a brand new blade.
Yeah, look at that.
A little bit, isn't there? These are all going to go through a planer, though.
Oh, ideal.
I'm going to do one side, run everything through a planer.
Okay.
So that's why I'm not too. Yeah, dang. But that board, we got to get in a better rhythm than that. Oh, and you know, I should have put that other bunk under there. That flex, see that? Just enough already, thickened it up.
Proper weight down there as well, isn't it? That's thin, narrow.
Yeah, that's it. You can see it bowed up.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
That's unfortunately what happens sometimes.
Yep. It is what it is. Other than that, though, we got a couple boards.
Oh, you want to use that one as well?
Yeah, we'll put it all in there.
Okay.
And I might need pieces or spare pieces for something. You saw what happened. We had a few hiccups. We threw a band. Yes. It wasn't always the best effort on our part today. Well, it was our best effort, but the Sawmill didn't give us the best effort.
The stars weren't aligned to start with.
They weren't exactly aligned. We had a few hiccups. So we ditched plan A, went to plan B, and everything seemed to smooth out.
Did we have a plan B? I didn't even know we had plan.
Oh, well, put a new blade on. After we threw the one.
Well, we couldn't use that again, could we?
Right. No, that was done. And it was weird. It flew off the back and popped off the belt. I've never had that happen.
I can't. Yeah, behind this pulley sheave, it's just. I've never seen that happen either. Normally goes off the front.
Right.
Generally.
It is what it is. But we got 40 of them, and we saw Nick walk in at the beginning of the video. It's so nice having somebody who knows what they're doing out here with me.
Well,
my wife does a great job. I'm not going to deny what she does, but having another sawyer out here, all we have to do is look at each other, and we already know what each other's doing.
So I mean, some of the cuts were a bit like where I'd be like, meh,
yeah,
and I just give that signal to you when you go that way,
that way,
and instant we know where we're at.
And now he knows kind of what I'm looking for, so he says, okay, that's going on the pile, or that's going into the burns pile.
Yeah. So it's like when we get the 3/8 inch stuff. It's I often think,
some weird stuff happened.
Is that worth pouring on the pile or pouring on the flitch pile? So yeah.
We had some really this white oak. A lot of it's really dry, and it was rock hard. Absolutely. Really hard. I think that was a lot of our problem. The Starlight band, it cut great.
Yeah.
However, it's just really, really hard. We had to put some water to it.
Yeah, we had to increase the water flow a bit more. It was gumming up.
It was really dry. It was. Yeah, we were getting some pitch build up.
Yeah.
And I get that sometimes with oak if I don't keep that band cool.
Sure.
So, guys,
brilliant.
That was it. We got some more to do. We got a pile of scraps for the firewood scrap pile, and I guess.
And we've also got the deck ready for tomorrow as well.
The deck's all ready to go. I'll put them back to work tomorrow, but we got some fun planned for tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. Oh, we're milling tomorrow.
We'll mill in the morning
before we go
to the lake.
Right,
we're going. I'm taking them out to the big Lake Michigan tomorrow.
Cannot wait. It's not just a lake, guys. It's a freaking ocean.
When you stand on the shore, you don't know if you're looking at an ocean or a lake.
Put it this way: when I flew over it, guys, it was just like, wow.
It's about a half an hour just to fly over.
It's just disgusting. Yeah, traveling at 550 miles an hour, it still took a while.
Yeah, it did. So, hey guys, if you like this content, hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment. It really helps with the algorithms, and don't forget to share it with your friends. But you know what? None of that's necessary. Just watch the video.
And come and see me as well.
I gotta get to the UK.
I'm embarrassed because your house is amazing, and like the way I'm like embarrassing the way we have. We'll put you in the log cabin. Oh shh. What log
we can
cabin?
edit that out. All right, guys. All's well. Take care.
There we go.
The lazy boy stop.